Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to join a public Facebook group. So it's super simple. Make sure you're on the home screen and now type in whatever, group you want to join. So I'm looking for a place to rent. So I'm going to type in renting apartments. And now I'm going to scroll down to click on groups. And now all the groups that are have to do with renting apartments will show up, and these are specifically designed for the ones that are closest to you. So see right here it says public, public, public. I can join all of these, and the way you do it is by pressing on join. And now to access that group, go back to Facebook. And now what you want to do is click on groups right over here on the left side. And now you'll see that that group has been shown in your groups folder. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.